Day 3 in New Orleans. Walking around, kind of cold. No mask, no service. The key is just not to stop. It's just to keep going. Don't touch the dog. It's a very artistic city.
That's so cool.
Needs to figure out what's the best picture. 20-minute walk turns into 40 because she gets the angle right. I fuck up the picture. We're at breakfast and she's concerned.
No, I'm not concerned. I'm picking a filter to film.
This is what girls do, guys. They look at every single filter. Try every single one. Ask which one do they like. I don't like any of them. They all look uncanny. They look like quantized drums. This is what's wrong with our society. What if you did no filter? Look how good you look with this filter.
I know that, but you're the best.
Instagram is worse than Jules. Fight me. And look at those lips. You already have big lips. You just need to be mad. With the Unity, I like how we're both wearing the Unity. Babe, let's do it. Wow, that looks so cool. It goes well with that fit. That's cool.
Continuing on our Garden District walking tour, Colonel Short's Villa. This house at 1448 4th Street was built in 1859 by architect Henry Howard for Kentucky Colonel Robert Short.
Baby, baby.
Look at that plane. It's like an orange streak in the sky. So baby.
Let's do it.
Yeah, do we wanna grab an Uber? We are gonna take these bikes out for a ride.
I'm tired. Looks like you're doing something sketchy over there, huh?
Getting the lock, the keys from the lockbox. Oh no, wrong key. Don't show the code. There you go.
Definitely looks haunted in here. The colors in this house are sick. You could film like a whole movie in this house.
Yeah, it is.
If you have like each dialogue piece.
Looks like a murder scene in a movie. No. Just kidding. I was kidding, universe.
It's still rough. Like I hear gunshots over there all the time.
Oh shit.
See that? The graffiti on there?
Wow.
Huge. Open your eyes. Wow. Open your eyes, that's amazing.
Great view from that roof.
Wait, are we going on a roof? No, I don't want to go in there. I feel a lot of, a lot of interesting energy there.
Yeah, well.
When there's so much history, there's definitely ghosts around.
I don't know about that. Yeah, that's what's cool about here. It is, in that sense, Berlin vibes. Like industrial, like scenery, and the people have like an anarchy mindset. No, baby, I don't think she has. You have way too many pictures.
To do like little free jewelry booths. Because I have so much jewelry that I want to give away.
I saw this, they started in multiple states. It was a community fridge. And that, like, I f with because that's like people really need food, you know? Hell yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, it's like a little... No, but this is cool.
You went to every state?
Every state made art.
Wow.
For every state. So,
For every state.
yeah, I made like, from my photographs, I made like shapes of the states.
I bet that's what we're experiencing. We're
I
just...
wouldn't want to be out asking Americans what they think about the country.
Yeah, we came from Miami, so we've been driving from Miami outside Florida. This is our first like real stop. We're headed out all the way. Dude, we're gonna go to Austin right now. Brother's out in Sedona, so we're gonna go check that out. We've never been yet. Yeah, we were in quarantine in Miami, and like we have a good community there. You know, like there's a lot of burners.
So far.
Van life. Yeah, van life couples. We ran into one yesterday.
It is like a community, van life community.
People are willing to do it.
I showed you guys the before of our van, and now I want to show you the after. So check it out. Inside. And of course in the front. So that is a tour of our van.
So we're on some random stop. It's Boston, my baby. And we stopped at Starbucks, totally stealing their Wi-Fi. We both just worked for like an hour. Come on, let's go better work. Look at her drive, so focused. You should see her drive versus me.
That's where we are. So then we can say, oh, we're driving through.
See how cute she is? She wants you guys to know exactly where we are. I'm just saying we're somewhere outside of Louisiana. And now we're on our way for 6 hours to Austin. So right now we are headed to Texas. I really like this viewfinder actually. Anyway, let us know how the video quality is. My baby, every time we pass any location that she doesn't know the name of, because she wasn't allowed to play video games when she was young, she was only allowed to play nerd games on the computer. That's why she's so good at geography.
True story.
True story.
Thanks to my parents.
Yeah, thanks. We always have to know where we are. It's never good to not know where we are.
No.
But we're not gonna tell her where we are.
Oh, baby, pass me my gray hat.
Where is your gray hat, boo? You need to go to a camera store.
Yeah, or Best Buy.
Oh, that's a crazy shot right here. Wow, it's the feather her friend gave her. I got this hat in New Orleans, and it's wavy on bandana. Don't worry, we're gonna tell you we're gonna do it while we're doing it, so it's not as weird.
We just passed through Whiskey Bay.
We did? What's Whiskey Bay?
It's the area we just passed through.
Tell us more. See, when I heard about Whiskey Bay the first time, I remember clearly. Clear as day. I was in 5th grade. My teacher, Miss Lucier, told me there's just one place in Louisiana. You know, this wasn't even history class. Actually, this was drug education class. And she's like, over there, there's people that make alcohol out of the mud. True story. Maybe it was to like scare us from drinking and shit, but you know that, baby?
No, I don't think that's a true story, baby.
Nope, it's not. It's just improv for the camera. Let's check out what we are, guys. Get the trusted iPhone. See, content right after Louisiana is gonna be a little spicy spice, you know? Look. Babe, there is no Chipotles in this area. Is that what you want me to look at? We just passed Henderson.
River.
We passed this place called
Atchafalaya River.
Atchafalaya. That's a dirty river, guys. Fog City. Wow, look how pretty it is there. So now we did this. Sugar, sugar. Cutie baby, baby. Damn. We literally just hit 2,000 miles. So this is how I like to sit in the car, occasionally in the squats, occasionally in